tired of seeing people, good people, parents, kids, moms, dads struggling. That they don't have to live paycheck to Tuesday night anymore. I want people to know that it's possible. And not just to know intellectually that it's possible, but I want people to know that I'm going to give them the way to get that dream again, to enable them to see that the life that God has for them is a stone's throw away. All they got to do is take that first step. But every time you try some avocado toast, or you try that venti macchiato at Starbucks, or you try that pumpkin latte at Dunkin' Donuts, it's marketing at work. That's what we teach you here. It just so happens that I 10x my income because I figured out how it worked for one, and I figured out how to get automations to work for me 24/7. So no, I'm sorry, friends. You might sit up here and think that you up in here and you can tell me, oh, I bought some digital marketing course, it ain't work. I'm sorry to let you know. I'm sorry to break it to you. It ain't the course, it's you. Because you don't have a knowledge problem. You have an application problem. I don't care what you promote on social media. I could care less what you promote. As long as it's legal and ethical, I don't know. Do I have to get on video? Do I have to post content? No. You don't gotta do nothing. You're the CEO of your own business. You can decide what you want to do and what you're not going to do. But what you're not going to do is come in here, think you could get 50% of the effort, but get 1,000% of the result. I'm sorry, friends, it ain't going to happen. I want people to be able to get their paycheck and go, oh snap, I didn't even know I was getting paid today. You think I'm lying? There's Maytha in our group. She's got a full-time job, and because of the skills that she's learned, because of the people that she's able to help in her business, she didn't even know she got a paycheck from her job. She was like, oh snap, I got a paycheck. How would that feel for you?